A contented sexual relationship often defines the happiness within a marriage. Understanding one another's desires is fundamental to nurturing this intimacy. The journey to a joyful connection begins with open communication. Sharing fantasies, preferences, and boundaries fosters a safe space where both partners feel valued and understood. This vulnerability strengthens the bond and enhances the overall joy experienced during intimate moments. Physical affection plays a crucial role in creating a fulfilling sexual experience. More than just the act itself, intimacy includes kisses, cuddles, and gentle caresses. This kind of touch is akin to painting a canvas, where each stroke adds depth to the overall masterpiece of a loving relationship. Consistent physical contact outside of the bedroom can enhance desire and anticipation, allowing affection to flourish in its myriad forms. Emotional intimacy is equally significant in heightening sexual satisfaction. When partners feel emotionally connected, it amplifies trust, creating a robust foundation for deeper exploration of physical desires. Engaging in shared activities can bolster experiences that bring them closer together. Whether it's taking a dance class, going for evening walks, or discussing life aspirations, these interactions can kindle the emotional fire that fuels passion in the bedroom. Exploration is an exciting aspect of sexual relationships, introducing freshness and novelty to routines. Experimenting with new positions, settings, or even timing can add a spark that revitalizes passion. The thrill of the unexpected can awaken dormant feelings, invigorating the experience. Engaging in playful banter or role-playing can also enhance connection, allowing both partners to express uncharted parts of their personalities while deepening emotional and physical ties. Mutual satisfaction is the heart of a joyful, intimate life. Recognizing and respecting each other's needs and desires leads to a fulfilling experience for both. Taking turns initiating intimacy fosters a sense of equality, making it less likely for one partner to feel neglected. Additionally, focusing on pleasure rather than performance relieves pressure, allowing both individuals to embrace the moment with enthusiasm and joy. Lastly, prioritize time for intimacy amidst the whirlwind of daily life. Scheduling dedicated moments of affection reinforces the significance of each connection, transforming routine into an intimate ritual that strengthens their bond. In essence, creating a happy sexual relationship involves a blend of communication, exploration, emotional connection, and shared experiences. When these elements intertwine harmoniously, the result is a thriving, joyous sexual life that enriches the marriage.